Hi, this is Dr. Doug Smale with CDOCS, and today's Tip of the Day video is on Astra EV drilling tips. So it's important as you start your implant journey, but even anytime throughout, that you use the appropriate implant protocols for drilling for whichever you're using. And we want the highest amount of success. So in this first one, all drilling should be at a max of 1500 RPM for Astra EV and with copious, profuse external irrigation. Now I happen to use sterile water, but you can also use sterile saline, and I set it at 1200 RPM. Now, the second tip that you're going to want to make sure that you do is using an intermittent drilling technique or pistoning technique to ensure that the irrigation is getting down there and the dead bone is coming out. So you want everything to be clean and give you the highest amount of success by getting dead bone pieces out of there. So we're going to take a look at a clinical case here. And in this case, I'm drilling a number 30 implant. So I've got the number 1 drill in there first. And again, once we start, copious irrigation, you see the pistoning up and down technique. And in between drills, so I'm going to run through the whole circuit here. In between drills, I always irrigate in the osteotomy itself. So here's the 3 drill, and we're in and out with that. Again, copious irrigation, pistoning technique. And then we're going to go to the final drill. And with the final drill, it's the same thing. It's just as important on every drill set because these are tight fittings and very accurate. You've got to get good irrigation in there. So I hope you enjoyed these 2 tips for drilling successfully, and we'll see you on CDOCS.